Hello. So today we're going to be making a craft project using paint and leaves. So you could use real leaves too. I just didn't do it that way. I did the easy way and printed it from the computer. And so I cut them out and I'm going to put them around on my paper in a design that I like and then paint around it using my hands, which is now my new favorite thing to do, painting with my hands. So you could do this with any shapes. Like if children wanted to make this, you making a garbage truck or airplane or princess or pony, it really doesn't matter because it's up to the artist. You can even do their name like this. So I just put the paint around. I took off the leaves. I noticed that they were not straight edges since I didn't tape down the leaves. And so I added glitter around the edges, which I'm sure you know I love glitter. And then I'll just let it dry. And I'll probably talk to the children about what we are thankful for and what we love and who we love and why we love them. And then we'll write down some things that we are thankful for in each of the leaves. So this is mine, and I'd love to see yours.